This is the DJ Fade-Out 122 padlock demonstration. But first let's turn the fluorescent light on. Here we have a very old padlock. As you can see, it's rusty. It's built up out of plates and nails. There's no brand on there. I can see some in here. Let's see. Says something there, but I can't read it. There it says hardened and F.Souire Sons. Never heard of that before. And on the shackle it says hardened. But it's an old lock. You can see. And here we have the key. On there it says F.Souire 2. As you can see. It's a weird shaped key. Now let's open the lock. Put the key in, and here we go. As you can see, it popped open. Now I'm gonna put the camera down. One thing rules about my camera is I have a screen I can turn. So this is the lock. See? Now I'll open it back up. Key won't come out when the lock is open. Oh, it does. That's weird. As you can see in there. Let's get a bit of light going here. See in there? That's the locking lever right there. So, let's close the lock. See, it has a little tab right there. It won't focus. There it goes. So that's it.